Alright guys, so this is the plant now in the current state. It said that you know it's time to harvest it when it starts to turn yellow and the leaves start to die off. It just sprung a new leaf, but like I say, it's been a year now. I planted this last year, May, call it April, and it's almost around that time again. So I'm gonna dig it up, well, at least have my brother help me dig it up and see what we have. So you're supposed to dig around it and move the roots apart, and you'll see the pieces. Now I heard you can eat the leaves, but I don't know anything about that. So we're just looking for the Eddo, or like some people call it Taro Root, or cocoyam. So I have a plastic bag here just to help with the dirt and what's not. And yeah.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to insert this little informative voiceover because after making this video and talking to my mom, she did actually confirm that the leaves are indeed edible, and she recalls eating them as a little girl growing up in Jamaica, and it's prepared the same way you would prepare callaloo, if you know what callaloo is. I also want to take this time in the voiceover to bring out some benefits of taro root, which that it controls your blood sugar, its anti-cancerous properties, boosts your immune system, improves blood circulation, and much, much more. So I just want to insert this into the video for your information. You know, knowledge is power, so I want to insert that as well. So back to the video.
Not my foot now.
Okay, so he's just trying to shake out, loosen it up out of the bag it's in. And I just use an old hamper bag to store it. Like I state all the time, you can go back and watch my old videos. And this is Latin, you guys. My husband's German Shepherd. He's gotten a little bigger now.
Hi, how are you? Yes.
But yeah, so we're just shaking it out, loosening up the dirt so that we can see what is in it. Okay, so that is everything out of it. So you're just gonna use the little shovel pail, or you can use your hands and dig it. So we're gonna see what is in the soil. Okay, so we're just sifting through the dirt to see if we find any roots that can be replanted, as well as any taro. And I really hope after all this time something is in there. Is he digging? He's digging?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh my gosh. Latin. Either you're gonna help dig or you gotta move. You can't.
Over, guys.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
as you can tell, my tone has changed.
The video is now gone.
I don't know if you've planted a taro root before, Eddo or whatever have you. Let me know if I should be disappointed, because this is all I got. I guess I'm gonna replant it because the roots are strong, still has some green in them, and then I see new spuds coming out and everything. So I'm gonna replant it. But the only one that got a good deal out of this is Latin. He's enjoying playing in the dirt. Didn't help dig, but he's enjoying the dirt. Say hey, Latin. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, he's the only one that got a good deal out of this, I feel. But if you've planted this before, tell me if this has happened to you. Did I plant it wrong? or what? Obviously, I didn't, following the directions, but I mean, I was expecting some taro, some something, you know. Yeah, kind of disappointed. Should I be disappointed? Like, let me know. But that is it for this video, guys.
Alright guys, so before I end this video, I just want to state that I did decide to replant the roots because like I stated, we saw that the roots were green, they were starting new buds, new leaves were coming up. So I will give you guys an update if anything further transpires with that. But until next time, remember to be you unapologetically, and I will see you in the next video.